This is a Millipedes. It's so cute. They're very scarce to find. Very cute. Cute animal. Cute insect. Yeah. Very, very scarce. But if you find it, you're very lucky. Very, very lucky. Oh, this is so cute. I love it. When it's frightened, it's rolling like a little ball. Yeah, to protect himself. I hope you enjoy my video. Thanks for watching. This is the Millipedes when he crawls up. Yeah. When he crawls up, it looks like a little ball. See? When something touch him, or so on. That's it. Then he goes up like that. It's cute. Very, very cute. This is the Millipedes.